You have to look good for the aliens, huh? It's even spookier. Oh, did you see that lightning? Welcome to Roswell, New Mexico.
Home of the aliens. Oh, sorry, Dolly. Come here.
Home of a potentially confirmed slash unconfirmed slash maybe it was a weather balloon alien sighting or a crash in 1947. As soon as you come into Roswell, this sign is right here, right next to the Roswell Test Facility, whatever that was used for.
This is where they're testing the aliens.
Holy cow. This storm that's about to hit is crazy right now. Are you ready to explore some alien stuff, Dolly?
Whoa.
We come in pieces.
It's like beating up a little Lego person.
We have a rocket ship over here. A little sculpture. It's raining, but
Can't dampen our spirits.
look at these lights. Incredible. This is quite unique.
It's actually such a small playground.
Look at Ronald McDonald up there. This is quite the unique McDonald's.
Yeah, it's very cool. We're doing the most basic American tourist thing, which is eating at McDonald's when we go to a new place. Hopefully you can hear us over this hail.
Yeah.
So there's a fine line between cool tourist committing to a theme and a little bit lame. So, for example, you know, Harry Potter World, Disneyland, committing to the theme in a cool way. Roswell, I think it's too soon to tell. But one place I will say that was not cool, and probably the most lame national park we've been to yet, is Hot Springs National Park. We went there 2 days ago. Let's cut to some clips for you guys.
Yeah, while we wait out this hailstorm, here's Hot Springs National Park.
Not their best sign ever.
This is the only national park that I've been to that is like downtown in a city.
Yeah, for real.
And it's Sunday as well, so.
I know. Well, technically the arch was in the city, but there was literally no one there.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, this is kind of a very strange national park because it's like 6 bathhouses that are super old from like the 1890s to 1920s, I think was when they were built.
Dolly, stop it.
And they're just up and down this street right here. Like, I think that's probably one. But you have this whole place right here that's just keeps going and going and going and going.
So are any of them still bathhouses?
Yeah.
Oh. This feels very New Orleans vibes.
New Orleans vibes?
I don't know why.
Really?
Reminds me of New Orleans.
Huh. Ooh.
I think a lot of these have turned into restaurants. This one's a bakery.
The Superior Baths, which is also now a restaurant.
Oh, it's now a brewery. Kind of sad. I wonder if the people who built these in the 1800s figured they'd become this.
I mean, I will say these buildings like all in a row are really cool. You know, you have like all these very completely different architecturally bathhouses. Like this one almost looks like a mosque over there. So this is the only bathhouse that is still open. And they're closed on Sundays, it looks like, but at least there's still one that's, I don't know, operational, I guess. So I truly believe that if we didn't come here on a Sunday, then it would have been a lot better of an experience. But this main road that's right here that we're trying to cross right now is so busy with just obnoxiously loud cars and motorcycles and stuff that just even while we're walking down the road, we're trying to talk to each other and we can't even hear each other. So.
Maybe we had done a bathhouse, but I would say this is probably my least favorite national park we've been to. Just was kind of lame. And I hate to say that because I'm a huge supporter of the national parks. But
there's a lot of other places that we've been to that are not national parks that I'm kind of like, how is this place a national park?
Like John Muir National Monument, what? So much better than this.
A lot of the BLM land out west.
Yeah, a lot of the
Like-
state parks.
Yeah.
That's okay. Maybe it was just, it's really the only thing in this area, so maybe that's part of it.
Yeah, that's true.
Hope Dolly's not freaking out.
Hey, Roswell McDonald's, you have some leak fixes you need to do. There's a leak there. There's a leak right here. Okay, the rain is slowed down. Let's go.
We're coming, Dolly!
Hi, girl.
Hi, girl.
Sorry we left you in here. Good thing I have a waterproof camera.
The funny thing is that the woman immediately came out with the mop and started cleaning up
Yeah.
the water. Like, it's a normal thing. So I would have to say that the spaceship is not ready for intergalactic travel yet.
Well, you know, if you think about it, they probably just salvaged that one. That was the one that crashed back in 1947. So it's been through quite a few storms to give it some leaks, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's seen the world. It's seen the
galaxy.
Jinx. Jinx again.
The Duncan man, he's going
ripped.
strong. Where are we at?
We are at the Roswell UFO spacewalk, which is apparently very silly, but it's dog friendly, and it has black light, so that seems fun. And other than that, I really have no idea what it is. Whoa. It's like Space Mountain. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you can.
Whoa. What in the world? That is so trippy. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, this is actually crazy. Boy. This is so trippy. It's like 3D on your eyes.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh, this eye.
This way, humanoids. Beware.
Good night, girl. Careful, Dolly. Oh, this one's creepy.
That was fantastic. So Roswell has a whole bunch of these like touristy places like all up and down their main street right here. So we're gonna try and check out as many as we can. So this one is the Lego brick, the Bricktown alien attack. See, the largest Lego UFO in the universe. Okay. Let's see.
So, welcome to Spaceport Roswell.
Our city is built from over 500,000 Lego bricks that took over 3,000 hours to assemble.
Whoa. Okay, wait, whoa. Jeez
Holy cow.
Louise. Okay, we have to, maybe we could find all of the ones in the gallery.
So this place has a scavenger hunt that you can do, and so we're gonna try to complete this.
Okay, a rat on a ship, a sawtooth shark,
A rat on a ship
buried treasure, a mermaid, a sawtooth shark, and a buried skeleton.
and a rat. We're looking for a rat.
A rat on a ship. You found all of them.
We found all of them again.
We found all of the pirate ones. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, do you want to do Trainville? Is that this one?
Yeah, this thing's huge.
Whoa. There's like roller coasters. Oh, whoa. That's kind of random. And the last three.
It's crazy. alien invasion. This thing's crazy. How is this being supported? That's
Honestly impressive. Ellie, you better not knock anything over.
So at all these stations, they have a little stream deck that you can like click and it'll do different light effects and things. So like this one makes all these light up over there. But then you have this one, which makes the little aliens, little alien invasion right here, start shooting up at the military, which is defending. There's little sound effects too. They're pretty quiet though. And then you can have these dudes driving down. Oh my gosh. All right, Melissa has to teach, so we are going to go and explore the rest of Roswell, sadly without her, but that won't stop us from having a good time. So let's go see what else this place has to offer. We got the Roswell International UFO Museum. I think we should go check it out. So this is like a interactive experience, looks like.
Warning. Massive nuclear event detected. Proceed with caution. Warp travel engaged. 3, 2, 1.
The visitors have tracked the energy signature here to Earth.
Their dad just came.
Okay, I will have to say, out of every tourist trap that I've ever been to, this has been the most entertaining. No, but for real though, this place is something magical about this. I don't know. It's also pretty funny. All of the lampposts on the downtown area are all little alien heads. Wants me to come on in. This place is just so much art too. And sculptures, like look at this thing. That's what it used to be right here. And this is what he revitalized it into. Honestly, looks really good, especially the engine. All right, Roswell. Actually, so much fun to come here. As long as you're okay with paying a little bit to get into the exhibits. They were actually really good. They were really fun. They were so much fun. And yeah, I just loved it. It was had zero expectations coming here. And what little expectations I had were blown out of the water. And yeah, I think it was really great. I think the plan is gonna be head back to the van where Melissa's at right now. She's teaching, so we need to go back to the van, do some route planning, figure out where we're gonna go next. But I will see you next week.